Hello friends, in this video I teach you how to run Linux on your Windows computer. You can use Linux as a main operating system or as a local machine inside your virtual box. I used to run Linux inside my virtual box. So first of all, open your favorite browser. I open my Chrome and right here download VirtualBox. VirtualBox is basically helps us to run multiple operating system in our existing computer at the same time. For example, we can run Linux on our Windows computer system, or we can run Windows on our Linux or Mac operating system. Now open this first site and go inside this Windows host because this is Windows PC. I want to save inside my desktop, so I want to save here. This might take some time according to your network speed. So our VirtualBox setup file is ready. Now open it, then click here next. I want to check all these, then install it. So this is our VirtualBox. Inside we have to use our Kali Linux. Now I again go inside my VirtualBox website, because one more thing you have to do as soon as you install VirtualBox is to download and install this extension pack. This will give you better compatibility and it will allow us to use USB devices on the virtual machines. So we able to use a USB mouse, USB keyboard and USB wireless adapters. So now click on this. This is for all operating system. I want to save inside my desktop. Now open it. I can see here reinstall, but first time you can see here install, then agree all this stuff. So this extension pack is added successfully. So now we can go ahead and install virtual machines inside our VirtualBox. Now we have to use an operating system designed for hacking. We're gonna be use an operating system called Kali Linux, and it is just a flavor of Linux, and it comes with all the programs and application that we need to use in hacking. You can find this site inside my description, so check my description and open this site inside your favorite browser. This is Kali Linux VMware images. So VMware is the best alternative of VirtualBox, but we have to use VirtualBox in our project. So first of all, we have to download Kali Linux VirtualBox 64-bit because my laptop processor is according to 64-bit. You can check this here. Right click on this PC and you can see here this is 64-bit processor. So now I want to click here for download. Notice here this is VirtualBox image file and I want to save inside my desktop. This might take some time according to your network speed, so I want to speed up this process. So Kali Linux image file is downloaded here. Now I want to open this, import this and agree this first. This might take some long time, so I want to speed up process again. After importing that image file, you can see here Kali Linux inside our VirtualBox. So first I go into my settings, then I want to go inside my display. You can increase the scale factor With that you can run Kali Linux at a high resolution, but I put this on 100. Then I want to go inside my network, and here I want to attach to network, but you can see here name is not selected, so that I want to go inside my preferences. Then here we have to add a new network, so click this plus button here. Then you can see here network is added. Now click here and press OK. Now again I want to go inside my settings. Then here I want to go inside my network and attach to a network and press OK here. So if you don't able to allow that OK button, then you have to go inside your BIOS setup and enable your hardware virtualization. But most of the cases you were allowed to press OK button. So now we have to start our Kali Linux. Press enter here. So after some time you can see here login and enter your username. This is by default username, and enter password. I want to write TOOR, then press enter. This is incorrect password. So to solve this I have to go inside my restart. In most of the cases you have to allow password TOOR, but if not, then here press restart. Then press down arrow key and press E here. Then yes, I want to change this arrow to RW, and here we have to write init is equal to beans bash. Then here press F10. Then here also press E again. We have to write RW instead of RO. Then after that we have to write init is equal to bin/bash. Then press F10 here. Here we have to write command passwd for password, and this is our username. Now I want to password add hello, retype new password, again hello. So password is updated successfully. Now we have to write command reboot/f. Now here press enter. See here, Kali Linux is added as an operating system inside our VirtualBox. So I want to create a folder like first, because this is our first new folder. As soon as you can start your work with Kali Linux, you can get a more idea about what is Kali Linux and their function, how can it use with hacking purpose. Now you can change your time and open browser. Whatever you can run inside Windows 10, you can also run in this our Kali Linux. I hope you, after watching this video, you can download Kali Linux inside your VirtualBox successfully. So please like and subscribe to my channel. So bye bye.